Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, the question is, would I buy another electric e-bike? Let's get into it. Alright, first off, let me tell you about this bike here. This is the 1.0. I bought this in the very beginning when they first started. This was the only bike they had. It was before the step through even. And I do have to say I've been thoroughly impressed with their marketing. They included the bags that got me excited. And this bike has 4,108 miles on it. I've replaced the brakes a few times, tires a couple times. So far so good. It's been a great bike, still going strong. I really have to say that I'm impressed with the company, how they started off with just this bike and now they expanded and they have just been making the bikes better and better and better. It's a 1.0. I'm still happy with it, and here I am 4,000 some miles later. Now let me tell you a little story. I was having a little wobble in my, I guess you call this the stem, which I've recently learned, and this pin started coming out. So I started banging it in. I should have looked to see if it was screwed in or how it went in, and so it was just a little wobbly, a little weird, I don't know, and so I kept banging in. So finally I'm like, this is gonna get too dangerous, so I started looking for the part. I have no clue of what size or anything. So I contacted Lectric and asked them, told them what my problem was, asked them what the part number was, and they sent me one right away. So here it is, a replacement, and so I have to say, that made me really happy. They went above and beyond, did not have to do that. But let me tell you a little fix that I found out. Somebody said, oh, you should use tape or something, so I got to think about it. I'm like, what if I put a thin piece of cardboard in here and then cranked it down and closed it? And when I did that, the wobble went away and the pin hasn't come out since. So anyway, so that was my latest deal with this bike. 4,000 some miles, you gotta love that. And now I have a new stem, I can fix the problem. I'm almost through this season. I try and ride 10-15 miles every day if I can, depending on the weather. My advice, if you do get a bike, get it with the bigger battery. Bigger is definitely better. I have the 14 amp hour on here now, which I replaced, and I can go anywhere in this little town of ours, and I absolutely love it. And we're lucky because we have a lot of bike trails and a lot of places that you can ride to. So to answer your question, would I buy another one? Absolutely. Their marketing, their customer service, just how they made the bikes better and better and better. This is a 1.0. I hear the 4.0 is incredible, and maybe someday I will upgrade, but so far, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, actually it is kind of broke and I'm gonna fix it. And I love the bike. It's got me through the pandemic. It's my little savior. I just put my tunes on, get on the bike path, go, and it takes me to another world. And what I like most about it is I can have a lot going on in my brain, just thinking about a lot of different things, working on a lot of different projects. I get on the bike, I'm focused, it relaxes me, and then I can get back and be very productive. So there you have it. Like I said, I have no complaints. Customer service has been top notch. New stem, can't wait to fix it. Hopefully I can do it. It shouldn't be that hard. I think you just open it up and there's one inside. I'm hoping I can just slip this back into the new one. Hopefully it'll be that easy. But anyway, that's it from here. Till next time, this is Bo. See ya!